I decided to head out to the Great Salt Lake to capture some drone footage of the sunset the other night. I thought it might be fun if I shared a little bit of what happens behind the scenes and what goes into making these videos. So here's a little bit of what happened that night.
The compass stance calibrates the electric stuff inside this thing, magnets and whatever, and you have to do it every time you travel a certain distance. So you do the compass stance, you go round and round, and then it can find its north.
Normally, photographers have people that fly drones to go find spots for them. It's the other way around.
Oh no, yeah, the guy on foot finds
the
the
guy on
spots.
foot has to go find the spots for the drone guy. Remember what I was talking about?
Yeah.
How the tide comes in and out?
Yeah.
What's the water doing?
No,
Just that
when you
breeze.
first got here,
Yep.
that
You can-
water was way out by the rock.
You can actually see it moving in if you watch it for long enough. You see it starting.
see the
to
tide
see how
coming
it's
in?
creeping.
It was like all the way
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's creeping our way. Isn't that cool?
I didn't even see that. It was like all the way over there.
Yeah.
Just
If,
Yeah.
Watch along the edge of it as it's making its way over here. The wind is literally
tide is
pushing
coming
it.
in.
Yeah.
One of the shots Scott scouted out for us was this area that he calls Salt Hinge. I kind of think that he maybe hauled those rocks out there himself to create what we see, but I don't know.
There are a lot of great things I will do for a photo, but I am lazy. I am not going to carry rocks from here all the way out there. Okay? 100% not me.
Which leaves only one explanation.
woo! No, he's going one-handed. Watch as he rides the tire. What?
The light's fading a little bit, but we've had a good night of drone flying out here at the Great Salt Lake tonight. It's a good spot to come to be able to have open space where you're not going to worry about running into trees or things like that. A lot of interesting textures and reflections in the water. It's a spot I definitely recommend. You can't go wrong anywhere along the shore